here again with GHL Grow Tools. In this video, we're going to show you how to figure out the lapse time of a specific date. That could be a wedding anniversary or a subscription anniversary if they subscribe to your SaaS. You might want to address them every year that it's their 5th anniversary. Same with the wedding. So we're just going to go ahead and start with the wedding anniversary. So we made a folder here to keep everything organized. And inside this folder, you want to create some custom fields of a date type field for the wedding anniversary. Again, if this, you could adapt this to subscriptions or whatever you want. Just name these accordingly. So this will be a date type field, and then you're going to have a wedding years elapsed. That's a text field. Years elapsed with ordinal, kind of like we did with the age of a birth date. And then we have the upcoming years of ordinal. We'll show you that in a second. So we jump back over to the workflow setup. This is going to be a trigger, and then it's going to be a custom date reminder. You just you can get to that by typing in custom date reminder. And then the filter will be custom date field. And then you're going to select the field that you created, called wedding anniversary or subscription anniversary. Whatever that date field is, it'll pull in any date type fields that you've created through your custom fields area in the settings. So for demonstration purposes, this one's wedding, and we can go ahead and save that. That's the filter. And we just want to say that basically now we want to do a condition saying the wedding anniversary is not empty. And again, you can get to that by typing in adding an action here and typing in the if else, which will give you this conditional module here. And once you open that, let's close this one out. Once you open that, you'll see that you can now select a condition. We're going to select the custom field of wedding anniversary. That's the date is not empty. And then again, this will run kind of like the age birthday reminder, to where it runs every day at 8 o'clock. And if it's that day as the same day as today, then it'll allow this through basically. So we'll save this trigger again. Underneath here, we're going to have the actual custom code, or no, this is actually the what I just showed you here. This is the filter, and then here will be the custom code. Again, we'll give you this in the description underneath here, and you'll find the date. We're going to put, this time we're going to put just date in. All that's saying, it's reading it down here from saying looking for this date input here. Again, you'll have to, like the birthday, you're going to have to type this in first to test it. So let's just say March 15th, 2000. And you're going to want to scroll down then and hit the test button here. And then you'll see 24 years of elapsed, 24 years of ordinance, 24th, and upcoming 25. So again, you can use this inside of an email. You know, this may be post a day or two after their anniversary. Congratulations on your 24th wedding anniversary. Or if you're going to do an email prior to their upcoming one, then we'll have this stored here. If it's a 0, then we program this to just leave these blank, because you're not going to want to address anybody by 0 years. So once they're past 1 year of their anniversary, you'll have a number here, and you'll always have an upcoming number for that matter. And then you can base your email based off if these fields have any data or not. Then you're not going to send somebody an email that says 0. So that's how that works. Just give me 1 second here. Again, we'll go ahead and run the test. We got 24 down there, so we know it works. We have it built out an interface, and then you're going to want to map in the contact custom field. And then this is going to be wedding anniversary, and that way this works dynamically. Save, pulls that date in. And then the last field, we're going to update these fields basically. And you can get to this one again by clicking the update contact field, which you'll see here. You can type it in the search. That brings this module up. And then the fields, you're going to select your fields, right? So we have these are custom fields that we created, years elapsed at ordinal, so on and so on. And then we're going to map these in kind of like we did the age for the birthday. If you go to scroll down, the custom code, anniversary, output, and you can see we have all the different outputs: years elapsed, ordinal, upcoming. You want to match these according to your custom fields. So you want to name these similar to this. And then again, you could definitely adapt this for subscription. I would just call the custom field subscription and then map in these same fields, and you can use the exact same code above in here. And we'll give you this script inside of the below the video in the description. So we'll jump over to our handy dandy Make. Again, you may have this trigger coming in through the API. It could be a form through Go High Level Forms. And then this trigger needs to stay here as a date reminder, which we're looking for the wedding anniversary as a filter. Anytime that day hits at 8 a.m., if that's the same day, it'll run it through the system. So we'll go ahead and pass these in through let me save everything, save the trigger. You want to make sure there's no red dot up here. Just make sure everything's saved. There we go, published. And then we're going to create a new contact, and we'll just go ahead and put them into both workflows, the anniversary one and then the previous one that we showed you in the previous video for the age. We'll do them both at the same time. If we open this up, to create a contact, we've got Jill Smith. Here's her birthday. Even though we're focusing on the wedding anniversary now, we have that down here in the custom fields. Again, this would be maybe brought in from another, this could be anywhere that you're getting this information from, through a webhook, through a Gravity form, through another app. It just depends on how you're getting the information. We're just testing it here in Make with our custom app for Go High Level here. So go ahead and run this. Let me move this out of the way. So that dumped them into the workflows. If we go back in and we go to the contacts, there should be a Jill Smith in here. Here she is. And we come down here. Here's their date of birth. See both things updated. Here's the wedding anniversary, August 23rd, 1998. Saying 26 years have elapsed. Wedding anniversary with the ordinal is the 26th, and then the upcoming is 27th and 27th. That you could use these inside your emails. And then we've also did what we showed you in the prior video. The age has also worked at the same time. So if you're getting this information from a form, all this can be updated at one time. You can start using emails to email these contacts immediately if you want to. And then every year, the contacts, wedding anniversary, inputs, and the subscription, if you want to use that, we just create those same type of fields and just name them subscription and map those in instead of the wedding ones in your workflows. Hope that helps. Any questions, comment below, and we'll see you in the next video.